Hi everyone. I know I look crazy, but it has been a morning. Jay passed away this morning. Good morning, friends. Let's see, what is today? Today is Monday, and I'm in Elko, Nevada, and yeah, look at this view. It's so pretty. You okay, buddy? Okay, I'm about to use the facilities. I'm actually about to wash my dishes too, because they have like two different shower heads and the shower gets super hot, so I'm gonna use the shorter shower head to wash my dishes. You make use of what you got, man. Okay, Dom is packed up ish, well, you know, good enough for the road. And there's Jay, and the sun has really come out, so I'm hoping I'll be able to get some hours in before it gets too hot in Dom. It's around 8 o'clock and it is pretty late for me to get on the road, but let's go ahead and knock some miles out. So Jayden and I have been driving for about 2 hours now, and we've made it to the Salt Flats. Yeah, the Salt Flats in St. Louis, but we're going eastbound, so we don't have the pretty ones on this side, so I'll catch those on my way back. But there is some in the back, but it doesn't look as like super white and all pretty like the other side, so I'm not even gonna go out there and get my feet all dirty. Just letting Jayden go to the restroom, and then we're gonna get back on the road. I have class in like 2 hours, so I'm gonna find a spot to park up that's really nice so I can log into my class and then get back on the road for about 2 or 3 more hours. Whew, I am glistening. It is so warm in Domino right now. Whew. I'm cooking, making some fried rice. I'm gonna eat that for lunch and for dinner. I still don't know where I'm gonna sleep at tonight, so that's something I have to do. Class just ended, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish this food and then try and find a place to sleep for tonight.
destination is on the right.
Well, there is no freaking cell service, so all of this was for nothing. I am so upset because Overlander didn't state that it was no service for this campsite. Came all the way out here, no freaking service, and it's so nice. Now I gotta find somewhere else. It is close to 6 o'clock. At least the sun is still out, I guess. But I'm gonna backtrack and see if I can pick up service. It was plenty other camp spots, but I'm gonna try and see if I can find some service along the route. Well, this wasn't my ideal location, but it's a location. I have all bars 5G. It's right off the little highway, but the view is nice. Good morning, it's a new day. It is freezing out here. I'm about to make some coffee and some breakfast. I have class in like 3 hours. I think it's like 7:30 right now. But it's so nice and cool and the air is so freaking crisp. I slept really on the side of the road. Now you really can see it. But I slept really good. But cars are coming, so bye. Good morning, friends. Everything is almost, like all well. It's just not a good morning. Last night, Jayden woke me up like 4 different times with his cough and stuff, and he's just not having a good morning. So it is a short travel day. I've already driven like 2 hours, and I found a campsite. I was gonna drive like 2.5 more hours, but I found a camp spot that's only an hour away. Jayden has passed, and I can't do anything today, so I'll talk to everybody later. So I'm an hour and a half away from Denver, and I have brother-in-laws that live there, so I can't just sit here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and drive the rest of the way to meet them. And my husband is flying up to Denver to meet me, and I just don't know if I'm gonna continue on this 3-week trip. Yeah, I'll talk to everybody later. Just wanted to give you guys an update, but this will probably be the last one for today. Hi everyone. I know I look crazy, but it has been a morning. Jay passed away this morning, and I'm taking a pause to the trip. I'm on my way. I have an hour left of driving to Denver. I'm meeting up with my brother-in-laws who live there, and Andrew's actually driving up to meet, he's flying up to meet me. And so I'll be in Denver for a few days, trying to get my thoughts together, and I don't know if I'm going to continue to, I don't know if I'm going to continue this trip or not, but only time will tell. But I'm going to go ahead and sign off right now because I don't want to start crying. I've been doing that for the past few hours, so I'll probably pick back up tomorrow or the next day.